Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Disney token. Ticker symbol is DIS. This token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Disney token. So this token's being listed today, June 19th, 14 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DIS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, there is a total supply of 100 million DIS tokens. And how it is, let's see here, their webpage is available on here. It says their webpage is distoken.xyz. On there, you'll probably have to translate the page here. There is a full white paper that you can find on their webpage. There's their Twitter is at distoken_xyz. They also have a Facebook and a Telegram. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far they have 12,492 holders. So they're doing very well so far. 62,530 transfers, 18 decimal places, and like I said, a total supply of 100 million tokens. So it says Diz is on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a white paper that you could find at distoken.xyz/distoken-whitepaper-2-0. So it says Diz was launched by Mining TW Technology Company, a corporation team located in Hong Kong. It is a meme token issued by the relevant communities of blockchain, cryptocurrency, and mining. So this token is from Hong Kong, so you'll have to translate some pages, and the grammar might be slightly off after you translate it, but you'll get the idea anyways. It says tokens for interaction, event rewards, gifts, charitable purposes, and dreams. The token economic model, 50% of the circulation is longer than 5 years of pledge mining. As you can see, the grammar is slightly off. And users pledge tokens to divide up to the percentage rewards per second according to the total amount of pledges to achieve a value that is more worthy of long-term holding and collection. But there is a statement that it has nothing to do with Walt Disney. So they're saying they are not affiliated with Walt Disney. It says, although the names are similar, two different fields of scopes, memes are purely for fun and joy. So they're basically saying they're not affiliated with Disney, but they named their token after Disney because Disney is fun. So the Diz token originates from the community proposed meme coin aimed at bringing joy and innovation and is committed to establishing a fair, open, and democratic blockchain-based community. The founder of Diz is Daddy Pig. I'm assuming that's his username. Originally from Hong Kong, and immigrated to Taiwan to pursue democracy and freedom. Hong Kong and Taiwan jointly established a mining TW technology company. Starting from a cryptocurrency miner, it expanded to build large-scale mines and devoted itself to developing blockchain projects, including establishing a decentralized exchange, multiple blockchain ecosystem projects. Daddy Pig has been involved in blockchain project development, such as the fork of Ethereum upgrading to proof of stake, maintaining Ethereum Fair ETHF on the proof of work, and the fork of Dogecoin from the script algorithm to the ETH hash algorithm, Doge W, etc., supporting the spirit of decentralization, investing in a lot of resources, looking forward to the possibility futures of Web3. So Diz originated from a fun and a joking idea proposed by the community. The goal of Diz is to establish a fair, open, and democratic blockchain community where every user can participate to decide the direction of the community development. So it's a DAO, basically, where you have voting rights. Diz can also be used as a payment currency and for charity, gifts, rewards, tips, etc., spreading joy and love across the world. We hope with the development of the community, the value of Diz will grow over time, bringing wealth to the supporters and contributors. So they're not affiliated with Walt Disney. So they have a strong commitment to decentralization, supporting the community, and that is the values and vision of Diz. So the functionality of Diz as a cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. Diz implements governance, allowing users to decide the direction of the project through voting. Diz supports EVM smart contracts. And so it's governance. You could stake the token. And it says the conclusion on here, Diz is a meme currency full of hope and possibilities. We hope that through Diz we can bring more joy. So it's very much a meme coin. You can't do much with it besides staking, governance, and you could use it to pay people or whatever you want to do with it, basically. And not much else utility besides that. And there might be more in the future. They do have their own DEX listed on here. You can find it at dex.miningtw.xyz. You can also get this token off of PancakeSwap, and it just got listed today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where we go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.